Want to turn your UGREEN NAS into a powerful, private, 24/7 security system? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install the brand new UGREEN Surveillance Center app and how to add your cameras to start recording. Let's get your setup secured. To get started, log into your UGREEN NAS. Open the App Center and search for Surveillance. When the Surveillance Center app pops up, simply click Install. Next, select an installation location. Pro tip: if you have multiple storage pools, install the app on your fast SSD volume so the software runs quickly. Once selected, click Install to finish up. Once the app is installed, open it up and you'll see the data processing notice. Read it over carefully and then click Agree and Continue to move forward. Now, let's start adding some cameras. If you want to do this manually, just click Add Manually. From here, you can input your camera's details using the ONVIF protocol. Or switch over to the RTSP protocol and paste in your direct RTSP stream link. Alternatively, if your camera is supported, you can just click Search Camera, and the app will automatically scan your local network to find it. Once it locates your camera, click Add, type in the camera's username, password, and port number, and then click OK. Once your camera is added, it's time to configure the recording settings. First, choose the storage volume where your video files will be saved, and this is where you'll want to select that larger HDD volume we talked about earlier. Next, you can set the retention days to determine how long you want to keep your recordings. If you choose Not Restricted, the system will continuously record until it either hits the capacity limit you set next, or until the hard drive is completely full. Right below that is the capacity limit. You can set a specific storage cap here to ensure your security footage doesn't completely crowd out the rest of your volume, or select Not Restricted to let it use the entire drive before it finally starts overwriting your oldest video files. Next up is the event type. The Surveillance Center app actually supports advanced AI smart features, like fire detection and face detection. The best part is that your NAS actually performs all of this AI analysis completely locally, so your security footage never gets uploaded to the cloud. Just keep in mind, if you do decide to enable face detection, it will require a separate authorization step to activate. If you don't need the advanced AI features and just want standard motion detection, you can go ahead and select the scene change setting instead. After that, you can specify the physical location where the camera is installed. You can easily pick one of the convenient preset options from the drop-down menu or type in your own custom location name. Once you've adjusted all of your preferences, click OK. A dialog box will pop up recommending the use of dedicated surveillance drives for 24/7 video recording. Simply click OK on the warning and then click OK once more to finalize everything. Your camera is now officially added to the Surveillance Center app, and you can jump right into the live view dashboard to monitor your feed. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Scan the QR code on screen for more tutorials and tips to get the most out of your UGREEN NAS.